Okay, so good morning everyone, and in last lecture we discussed about deficiency diseases. Okay, by this topic chapter 2 was finished. We also finished chapter 3, and we are in chapter 4, which is sorting materials into groups. Class 6, chapter 4, which is science sorting or separating, sorting materials into groups. Okay, in this chapter we was already discussed about what are the things made up of. We also talk about matter, what is matter, anything that occupy a space and has mass is known as matter. Okay, we talk about matter, anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Okay. Next question is, we already discussed about it. I just revise it. What is matter made up of? Matter made up of. Okay. So John Dalton is a scientist. Was a scientist in 19th century who named the smallest particle of any matter is atom. And whatever the matters like iron, gold, he said they are made up of gold atoms. They are made up of iron atoms. We also talk about elements and compound. Okay, we just recall it. John Dalton, a scientist of 19th century, named the smallest particle of any matter is atom. Means if we talk about iron, then iron is made up of so many tiny iron atoms. Okay, if we talk about gold, then gold is made up of so many tiny gold atoms. Okay, if you are going to assume what is the size of atom, then I will tell you. You just predict 1 mm length of gold contain 40 lakh atom. 40 lakh gold atom. Okay, we already discussed in previous lecture, we just recall it. So by this way we assume or predict how small the particles of a matter. Okay, 1 mm, 1 millimeter of gold containing 40 lakh atom, gold atom. So by this way we assume that the particle of the tiny particle means the atom of any particle is very small, beyond our imagination. We are not able to see with our naked eyes. Okay. If we talk about water, the smallest particle of water contains two atom of hydrogen, and one atom of oxygen, like H2O. H2O is the formula of water that represent two atom of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So these form one molecule of water. So this is also known as one molecule of water. Okay, if we write 2H2O, then it is 2 molecule of water. If we write 3H2O, then it is 3 molecule of water. Okay, now talk about elements. What is elements? Okay, what is elements?